video. My name is Irfan Said Firdaus.
And I am Zila Shahida. We're so excited to share something very important with you today.
Yes, in this video we'll discuss common job interview questions and how to answer them effectively.
That's right. Job interview can be nerve-wracking, but with right preparation, you can handle them confidently.
We'll go through a few key questions and provide example of good answer so that you impress your interviewer.
So, grab your notebook and let's get started.
Tell me about yourself.
My background to that has been centered around preparing myself to become the very best student in management informatics I can become. Let me tell you specifically how I prepare myself. During my studies at Polytechnic LP3I, I have developed a strong understanding of information system management, software development, and data analysis. I actively participate in various extracurricular activities and group projects that help me enhance my teamwork and leadership skills. Additionally, I utilize various online learning research and attend seminars in the attached file to stay updated with the latest trend. Through this experience, I continuously strive to become a competent professional ready to face challenge in the industry.
How has your education prepared you for your career?
You will note my resume. I've taken not only the required core classes in the management informatics field, but I've also gone above and beyond. I've taken every class and college has to offer in the field and also complete an independent study project specifically in this area. But it's not just about taking the classes to gain academic knowledge. I've approached each class both inside and outside my major with this profession in mind. So when we're studying data analysis in my coursework, I'll view it from the perspective of how data-driven decision can enhance business process and outcomes.
If I were to ask your professor to describe you, what would they say?
They would describe me as an energetic and dependable person who is committed to completing tasks successful. They would say I take a keen interest in my studies and always seek ways to apply knowledge in real-world settings. As a management informatics student at Polytechnic LP3I, I am known for my dedication, technical expertise, and practical problem-solving skill. My professors have highlighted my ability to collaborate effectively and deliver high-quality results in both academic and professional projects.
What qualities do you feel a successful manager should have?
Successful manager is someone who embodies strong leadership and can inspire their team to achieve shared goals. They possess excellent communication skill, ensuring that everyone understands their roles and responsibility clearly. A manager should be a skilled problem solver, capable of analyzing challenges and finding practical, effective solutions. Adaptability is another key quality, allowing them to handle unexpected change will ease. They must also demonstrate confident decision making, ensuring that choices are informed and timely. Empathy is essential as understanding and addressing the needs of team members foster a supportive and productive work environment. Finally, successful managers excel in time management, prioritizing tasks efficiently to meet deadlines and maintain workflow. Tell me about yourself.
My background to that has been centered around preparing myself to become the very best professional in the field of management informatics I can become. Let me tell you specifically how I've prepared myself. I have pursued my education at Polytechnic LP3I Bandung, specializing in management informatics, where I have developed a strong foundation in both IT and business management. Through various projects and assignments, I have honed my skill in analyzing, designing, and managing information systems to solve the world's problems. I am currently working and building both my technical expertise and soft skills, including teamwork, problem solving, and effective communication to ensure I can excel in professional environment. This experience and effort have shaped my commitment to continuous learning and excellence in everything I do.
If you had to live your life over again, what would you change?
That's a good question. I realize that it can be very easy to continually look back and wish that things had been different in the past. But I also realize that things in the past cannot be changed, that only things in the future can be changed. That's why I continually strive to improve myself each and every day, and that's why I'm working hard to continually increase my knowledge in management informatics field. That's also the reason why I want to become the very best professional your company has ever had, to make positive change, and all of that is still in the future. So, in answer to your question, there isn't anything in my past that I will change. I look only to the future to make change in my life.
Why do you want to work here?
I've researched and carefully selected companies whose mission and values align with my own, and your company stood out to me as a place where I could truly make a positive impact. And I feel genuinely excited about the work you do. This role also aligns perfectly with my skills and interests, allowing me to grow professionally while contributing meaningfully to your team's success. That's why your company is high on my list of desirable choice.
When were you most satisfied in your job?
I feel most satisfied when the project I work on are successful and meet the client's requirement, or even exceed their expectation. For example, in my last project, I worked on developing a system that not only meet the client's needs but also provide a value they didn't expect. Seeing the client's satisfaction and knowing that I help them achieve their goals gives me a great sense of accomplishment. so many questions and answers about interviews.
Thank you for watching and bye bye.